Hi, Ray. Hope you're doing okay. Welcome to your second virtual assembly. Um, we're just going to go through a couple of reminders about Show My Homework and also some tips about time management. Most of you are doing really, really well at submitting your work on time, accessing all your lessons. But I know that managing your time when you're at home can be a bit tricky. So we're just going to talk about that. I just want to say as well, myself and the form tutors have really enjoyed ringing around, speaking to you all, and seeing how you're getting on. It sounds like under the current circumstances, you're all doing really well. So well done for that, and I can see that you're all trying your best. So just a quick reminder as to how to log in to Show My Homework. I think most of you are fine with this, but just in case, you need to go to the school website, select the Show My Homework icon or open the app if you have it, sign in with Office 365, enter the username, which is your school computer username, at theforestacademy.co.uk, and your password, again, is the same password you use for the school computers. So just a reminder, you should be signing in every day and following your timetable. Most of you have been really good at submitting your work and following your timetable as it would be at school. Some of you just need to make sure that you are submitting work for all of your lessons. Some of your lessons are live and some are pre-recorded. You just need to check which is which. If you are having trouble accessing anything or need some support, please contact the school. Don't just not do the work and struggle at home. Let us know so we can help you. Likewise, if you need to borrow a laptop or any equipment, let us know. And do make sure you submit your work at the end of each lesson if you can. So just some quick tips on time management. So no homework is going to be set on top of your normal schoolwork. So you only need to worry about the work that is on Show My Homework for that lesson. Do follow your timetable so you don't fall behind. That means starting at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, if you start at 10 or 11, you're just going to miss your morning lessons, and you're going to start falling behind, and it will be more difficult to catch up. If you're having problems submitting any work for any reason, please let your teacher know on Show My Homework or contact the school, just so we're aware, and see if there's anything we can do to help. Do make sure you take your break and lunch at normal times. This will really help you establish a routine and just ensures that you're getting enough of a break in between your lessons away from the screen. You might want to do a little bit of work outside of school hours, perhaps as a subject that you're really enjoying, and you want to do a little bit at the weekend or in the evenings. That's fine, but we shouldn't be receiving submissions in the middle of the night or seeing you log in, at night time. You need to make sure that you're asleep at the correct times. So I don't want to see submissions at sort of 2, 3 in the morning. Okay. And just quickly, some successes. So loads of you have done really well at submitting your work. These are the students who I've really noticed have been really consistent in terms of submitting their work. So well done. Okay, this is what we all need to be aiming for. Okay, so well done to these students. And just a little challenge to finish off with. I love making food. I love eating food. I love baking. Sometimes it doesn't always go very well. So what I'd like you guys to do is send in a photo of something you've cooked at home. So maybe you've helped an adult with dinner. Perhaps you've gotten into baking over lockdown. Anything you make, send a little photo in, and the best will receive a little award as well. So please contact the school if you're stuck with anything. We will be able to support you, and just keep trying your best. Okay, you're all doing really well. See you soon.